More complications. Not an underplot, I trust. A small boy. No! If he exists, he'll die there or he'll come here. And if he doesn't, it's the end, Clove. We've come to the end. I don't need you anymore. Leave me the gaff. Before you go, say something. A few words to ponder in my heart. Yes, yes! With the rest, in the end, the shadows, the murmurs, all the trouble to end up with. Clove, he never spoke to me. Then, in the end, before he went, without my having asked him, he spoke to me. He said, something from your heart. A few words from your heart. Articulate. Enough! Clove! Nothing. Clove! I'm obliged to you, Clove, for your services. It's we are obliged to each other. One more thing, a last favor. Cover me with the sheet. No? Good. Me to play. Old Endgame, lost of old, play and lose, and have done with losing. Let me see. Ah, yes. Good. Discard. Take it easy. And now, raise hat. Peace to our asses. And put on again. Deuce. Wipe. And put on again. We're coming. A few squirms like that, and I'll call. A little poetry. You prayed. You cried for night. It crosses. It comes. Oh, it falls. Now cry in darkness. You cried for night. It falls. Now cry in darkness. You cried for night. It falls. Now cry in darkness. You cried for night. It falls. Now cry in darkness. Nice to put that. And now? Moments for nothing. Now, as always, time was never, and time is over. Reckoning closed and story ended. If he could have his child with him, It was the moment I was waiting for. You don't want to abandon him? You don't want to bloom while you are withering? Be there to solace your last million last moments? He doesn't realize. All he knows is hunger and cold and death to crown it all. But you ought to know what the earth is like nowadays. Oh, I put him before his responsibilities. Well, there we are. There I am. That's enough. Yes, truly. Good. Father! 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 Good. We're coming. And to end up with discard with my compliments. Clove. No. Good. Since that's the way we're playing it, let's play it that way and speak no more about it. Speak no more. Old stauncher, you remain.